Hi, I'm Kristi, S4's Physicist, and this video is all about the things that you can see in the night sky in May. So one of the things you're going to be able to see on the 7th of May is a big, bright, beautiful full moon that we call a supermoon. So a supermoon is when a full moon looks slightly bigger than usual when it's full. We usually get about one full moon every month, but our full moon in March, April and May have all been supermoons. So check out my video from last month in April where I explain what these supermoons are and how they're created. What we're also going to see at the start of May is a meteor shower, which I'm very excited about. The Eta Aquarids meteor shower will peak on the 5th and 6th of May, and at its peak you'll get a massive 60 meteors an hour. So the Eta Aquarids meteor shower is pretty cool, and not just because you get loads of shooting stars, but also because these meteors are actually debris from Halley's Comet. But what May is going to be really great for is anyone that wants to see the planets. So on the 12th and 13th of May, Jupiter and Saturn are going to be really close to the moon. So it'll be a good opportunity to see these three objects together. However, that's going to be some good viewing for you morning people. I'm not particularly a morning person, so I'm going to be skipping that one. So what I'm going to be looking out for is going to be on the 21st to the 22nd of May. Venus usually appears in the evening sky at this time of year. It appears really early as the sun is setting, and it's much brighter than everything else around it at that time. So we call it the evening star. You can tell it's a planet and not a star, because if you watch it for a while, you'll see it does not twinkle. On the 21st to the 22nd of May, we're going to see a second evening star, because Venus is going to be joined by Mercury in the sky. The constellations that you can see in the night sky will change throughout the year, but May is the best month to view my favourite spring constellation, Boötes The Herdsman, who is said to herd the stars across the sky, and that's why they move. So there's a well-known trick of trying to find Boötes in the sky. So most people will be able to find the Big Dipper or the Plough. Here in Wales we call it saucepan, which is a really good name for it, I think. It's 7 bright stars in a big recognisable saucepan shape. The Big Dipper has been really important throughout history for navigating and finding other constellations. So the 2 stars opposite the handle on the saucepan or the Big Dipper are known as the pointer stars, because if you follow them in a straight line, they point to a bright star called Polaris, or the North Star. And once you've found this star in the sky, you know which way north is. But the handle of the Big Dipper is really good for finding a star too. If you take the arc of the handle and then extend it in a straight line, you'll get to a really bright orangey yellow star called Arcturus. So Arcturus has a lot of different names in different cultures. In ancient Polynesia, it was called Hokoluke, and it was used to navigate the seas to find different islands. So if any of you are fans of the film Moana, you would have got an idea of how important the stars were for early navigation. Even in modern day, a lot of the newer boats that use old traditional Polynesian methods are called Hokoluke to signify how important that star was. So once you've managed to find Arcturus or Honolulu in the sky, look out for a diamond shape above it, and that's Boötes. So he's shown holding 2 hunting dogs and a club above his head. If you follow the imaginary line you drew from the Big Dipper to find Arcturus, it actually follows the curve of the side of his body. So once you've managed to find Boötes in the sky, you're halfway to finding another important constellation for May. If you take that imaginary line you drew from the Big Dipper's handle down to Arcturus and follow it in a straight line, you'll find another bright blue star. This giant blue star is called Spica, and it's part of the constellation Virgo. Virgo is depicted as a virtuous woman, and is one of the 12 signs of the zodiac, or star signs. It is the star sign that's best seen in May. So any Virgos out there, go and take a look out your windows or in your gardens and take a look at your star sign in the sky. If you do get the chance to do any stargazing, let us know what you see. I'm also going to put some more information with this video that you can download if you want to find out more. If you want to know what you can see in the sky next month, look out for my video of what's in the night sky in June. But until then, goodbye.